Welcome to the installation video of the ARIES AeroTread running boards on a 2014 Toyota Highlander. These running boards are available in a black or stainless steel finish. During this installation, we will be using a lift. However, the use of a lift is not required. These are the tools needed to complete the installation. Starting on the driver's side, locate the 3 mounting locations along the body. Sort out and separate the driver and passenger side mounting brackets as they are specific to the mounting location. Use the print instructions to make sure you have properly identified the brackets. Starting at the front, remove the factory plug covering the mounting holes on the rocker panel and insert a 43mm tab T-bolt and secure in place with a plastic retainer. Next, remove the plug from the front frame mount location and insert a 50mm tab T-bolt and secure with a plastic retainer. Lift the driver's side bracket into place and secure it with a 10mm flat washer, lock washer, and nut at each bolt. Snug the hardware, but do not fully tighten at this time. Next, locate and remove the plug for the middle bracket. To identify the correct plug, it is under the edge of the driver's side door, closer to the front of the vehicle. Insert another 43mm tab T-bolt into the mounting location and secure with a plastic retainer. Lift the bracket and attach with the 10mm hardware as done previously. Snug the hardware, but do not fully tighten. Locate and remove the factory plugs in the rear of the vehicle. Insert a 60mm tab T-bolt into the hole of the frame, secure it with a plastic retainer. On the rocker panel, insert another 43mm tab T-bolt and plastic retainer. Raise the rear bracket into place and secure with 10mm hardware. Snug the hardware, but do not fully tighten. With your AeroTread running board laid onto a flat working surface, remove the 8mm flat washer, locking washer, and nut that are secured on the bottom of the board. Lift and place your AeroTread running board onto the brackets. Align the bolts with the holes of the bracket. Fasten the board to the bracket with the previously removed 8mm hardware. Do not fully tighten at this time. Adjust the running board to your desired location and tighten all hardware. Repeat this entire process on the passenger side. Remember to do periodic inspections to make sure that all hardware is secure and tight. To protect your investment, we recommend you apply a layer of non-abrasive wax. Congratulations on the installation of your brand new ARIES AeroTread running boards.